caramelizing onions is very easy and tasty. All you need to do is prepare your onions, either sliced thin, sliced thick, or chopped, how you like them. Add butter or oil and stir on medium heat. Do not stop stirring because what can happen is it'll start to burn. And eventually, after about 20 minutes or so, the browning starts and the onions start to soften. Just keep an eye on it, and remember they're also going to shrink down, so you'll see that process start to happen. As you continue, keep it on medium heat and then just continue to stir for another 20 minutes. And voila, you have caramelized onions.